So welcome to Practical Civil Engineering with Engineer Wasim Alam. So today our new topic is how to find the quantity of bricks in a furnace shape wall, like in a furnace. So we took a shape like this with the depth of bottom diameter is 30 feet, top diameter is 10 feet, the thickness is 9 inches or 0.75 feet, and the height is 60 feet. So we have to find the number of bricks in this shape. So for this we have formula which is h divided by 3 a1 plus a2 under the root a1 a2 minus a1 plus a2 under the root a1 a2. So this is the formula. So the bottom 30 feet, we called it a1, we give it a name a1, and the top, which is capital A2. The inner diameter is small a1 and the outer diameter is small a2. So we have the value, so put it h is equal to 60, which is height, divided by 3. a1 is 30 foot plus a2 is 10 foot. So a1 is 30 multiply 10 minus a1 is 30 minus 0.7 minus 0.7, so it will give us 28.5 plus 10 minus 0.7 minus 0.7 at both sides, so it will give us 8.5. so under root 28.5 multiply 8.5, so 30 divided by 3, it will give us 20. 30 plus 10 40, and the root 30 plus multiply 10 300 minus 28.5 plus 8.5, so it will give us 37, and the root 28.5 multiply 8.5, so it will give us 242.25. so 20 into 40 under root 30 under root 300, which will give us 17.32 minus 37 under root 242.25, it will give us multiply 15.56. so 20 into 40 into 17.32, it will give us 692.8 minus 37 multiply 15.56, it will give us 575.72. now subtract 5.72 minus 6.928 minus 5.75.72, so it will give us 20 into 117.08. when we multiply this with 20, so it will give us 24341.6. so this is the total volume in CFT. So now we have to find the number of bricks. So as we know that in one CFT we have 13.5 bricks. So 2341.6 multiply 13.5, so it will give us 31611.6 numbers. So it is the total number of bricks, which is 31,611.6. so it bricks up, it will 31,612 bricks. So it is the total number of bricks without wastage in a furnace shape. So this is all about bricks. So if you have any difficulties or ask for another topic, you can comment and also subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.